Men, get the look that gets you noticed again and enjoy your next trip to Las Vegas on us. VacationRestoration.com offers men suffering hair loss a unique opportunity to come to Las Vegas and experience one of the best medical hair restoration procedures in the world.
I came a day early for the procedure with Dr. Williams, and the party did not skip a beat. Not a problem, and he took care of my travel expenses for my birthday.
Go to VacationRestoration.com for details on how a trip to Las Vegas can restore your confidence, and we'll pay for the trip. Call today.